music. Let's go. Irama Moses. Good food, good health. Makeups. Subscribe, let's go. Irama's channel. Lifestyle, good food, makeups, let's go. Irama Garden. Irama's channel. Irama's channel. Subscribe, let's go.
Guys, our season is ready now. Let me show you guys.
Irama workout, good food, healthy living, lifestyle, let's go. Irama's channel.
Guys, at this point I have my homemade spices. I've sprinkled some of my homemade spices on top, so I will add some of
Subscribe and click on the notification
our
bell
chili sauce
for more videos
that we blended into it.
Let's go.
That's what we are going to use it to marinate our chicken. I have my chicken Maggie here.
Yummy, yummy.
I'll add one to it.
Irama's channel.
Ah, look at that. Even the aroma alone, guys,
Irama
look at that. It smells so nice.
healthy living, lifestyle, workout.
So you marinate this, then you leave it to sit for 30 minutes before you insert it in your oven.
Irama's channel. Subscribe, let's go.
Guys, so I'm going to leave it to sit for an hour before I will set it in the oven.
Lifestyle, good food, workout. Irama's channel.
So guys, when you do it like this, you can keep the rest in your fridge. Anytime that you want to season your fish, your chicken, anything, you can just season it with. Look at that. You put it in a nice container, then you keep it in your fridge. I marinated this for 30 minutes. You can wait for 1 hour. If you want, if it is the first time that you are doing it, you can wait for 1 hour. But I've been doing this for quite a long time. So I'll just marinate it for 30 minutes, and I'm transferring it into my tray, and I'll send it to the oven. So don't go yet, keep watching. So we finish. The most important part will come soon. Watch to the end. If you have watched this video to this far, I say God bless you for your support. I love you.
Kitchen. Irama's kitchen. Let's go.
Guys, let me show you our chicken. Look at that. At this point, I'm going to take it off from the oven and I will transfer it here. I will transfer it here, then we will move to the next stage.
Simple remedy. Irama's kitchen. Sweet aroma.
Guys, so I have transferred it into another bowl. I'm going to add my honey to it. The honey It depends on you for just a taste. So you need like 1 tablespoon, and I have my barbecue sauce here. We're going to add some to it just for taste. And we will stir this together, and I'll insert this back into the oven. I hope you guys can see.
Palatable, sweet aroma. EM's kitchen here.
Our chicken is ready now, and I'm going to take it off from the oven. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Guys, look at that. I'm going to serve it and show you guys.
So tasty. Palatable. I like
this.
It.
This looks so palatable. So delicious, guys. And I have my vegetables here that I'm going to add some to it. Look at that.
Let's go.
After you prepare your food, you have to garnish it nicely, guys. I love to garnish my food, to be honest. It makes the food look so appetizing and palatable as well. Guys, look at that. You add some peppers, onions. You see what I mean? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Let's go.
Look at that. I love to create. I love to create. That's why I love cooking, guys. Look at that. Cooking is my hobby. Cooking is my hobby.
Let's go.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then I don't know what you are waiting for. Just click on the subscribe button and come and be part of EM family. Also, don't forget to press the notification so that anytime a new video will drop, you will get notified. Guys, your comments are very important to me, and please don't forget to like and share with your family and friends as well. Subscribe.